Most important part, 3 doors on the aircraft. 2 doors in the front, slider on the side. These will be your emergency exit only. I will be the only one to open and close the doors today. When we get down to the bottom and back up here to the top, we'll wait for the blades to stop spinning, and then I will come around and open the doors for you. All right? Everybody understands? Yes. Do not touch the doors. All right? Anybody that touches the doors, we'll leave you at the bottom, and it's a lot hotter down there. All right? Okay.
You're a tough commander.
Well, when you have people popping doors off, these doors actually pop off if you pull the wrong handle.
Oh my God.
$80,000 doors. So that's why we don't let people touch the doors.
That'll hurt my budget.
All right, guys, this is how we're going to work it on the way out. We're going to have Christopher and Marco. We're going to have you guys climb in first if you don't mind. Handle right there, you can grab onto and just slide all the way across there. All right, so then we'll have Linda and Kent.
Okay.
On one side.
We can get you in there.